Hello Cody, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2015 GSX-R1000, 3,536 kilometers, and the price is $10,888 plus HST and licensing. Fully safety certified, brand new tires front and rear, nice turn signals, dark turn signals, and it's never been an accident. Carfax is clean. The unit is available at this time, all the stock. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901. We can do over the phone or we can do online. If you want to finance it, so you could go to my web, bossmotor.com, finances center, and you submit the credit application with a $500 e-transfer to hold the unit while we're preparing. At this time it's available, that's the most important. Give me a call if you need more information. Phone number 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.